Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 8th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of today. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro did keep on trucking up today, continuing to make higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high. Pretty simple structure following would have told you to continue to look for longs. No breaker structure to the downside, definitely continue to look for longs. I guess the most recent structure level I would really be paying attention to is right here. If it breaks below that, I would definitely become a seller. Kind of does seem like it possibly could be like an A, a B, and maybe go down for a wave C, but I definitely wouldn't depend on that because I do think there is a very, very good likelihood we'll at least go up to this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of the daily time frame. So even though it looks like it possibly could go down because this move up is very, very overlapping, corrective looking, I wouldn't count on that. I would not be surprised if the series of higher highs, higher lows continued, and as long as it does continue, I would definitely continue to look for longs, especially on shorter than the 1 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website, FX Pip Collector, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.